Hello there. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Doing well, doing well. What can I help you with?
I was wondering, how do I access your library's databases?
Oh, good question. Um, there's a lot of different points we could get you to for different things. Is there a particular uh, topic you're looking for with these databases, or are you just looking for databases in general?
Right now, I don't have a specific need, but I know I'm going to be need to be using it to prepare research papers. So I wanted to get a sense of the best way to access it.
Are you a university student?
Yeah, yeah, I'm a sophomore.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. Did you not get a bibliographic instruction class during your freshman year?
No, well, they may have had a little bit of it, but I forgot about it. I
Uh,
wasn't paying much attention.
Oh, okay. Well, it happens. um, Alrighty. Well, if you go to the library's webpage,
Okay.
there, the beginning catalog, um, you can see. Let's see if I can pull it up to show you. On the main page of the library's catalog, there's a section for where you can type in your search queries
Okay.
right on the home page. So if you're looking at that, you can either go to the advanced search option, which is right below the um, search inquiry, and
Okay.
then right above that, or right when it opens, you'll see Add Remove Databases. It's a purple lettered button.
Yep.
If you click on that, it will bring up all of the databases that the university maintains, and that you have access to and that you can search through. So if you're looking for anything particular, say something from the archives, you may need to specify that in your database selections. Or if you're looking for something more physical science related, there's also a whole section closer to the bottom if you keep scrolling down of titled Math and Sciences, and if you just click that one, it'll give you all of that. And there's a lot of the different subheadings, social sciences, and you can also just search all the databases that are included, or just worldcap.org. So just kind of depends on what exactly you're looking for, but for the most part, um, that'll be the easiest place for you to find the databases.
Okay, thanks. Is there a way for me to search for materials in a foreign language?
Yeah. If you are you in the particular databases or just in a foreign language?
Just in general. I'm actually a study abroad student. I'm in France right now, so
Oh,
I need to search for uh, information in French for some of my courses that are in French.
okay. Well, if you back up a little bit, back to that advanced search section where we had the purple little link where we click the databases.
Yep.
Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a section that says narrow your search. And at the very bottom, there's the language,
Oh, okay.
and you can use that and click any of those languages that are down there. Yeah,
Okay. Great. Thank you so much.
of course. Do you need anything else?
Not right now. We'll see once I find out what my actual the topics of my actual papers are.
All right. Well, if you need anything, I'll be here until 3.
All right. Thanks.
No problem.
Hi. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yeah, I'm doing a research paper on the black-footed cat. I'm looking for a little bit of information related to that.
Black-footed cat.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Yeah, I think we can definitely find some information for you about that.
Cool.
This is for a research paper, you said?
Yes.
Okay. Um, so I guess can you tell me a little bit more about what exactly about the black-footed cat? Do you want what kind of information about the cat?
Oh, okay. Well, I'm looking for information pertaining to like threats to its environment, its habitat, um, conservation problems. I'm a conservation biology grad student.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Um, Well, all right. Yeah, let's take a look here and see what we can find. I'll check our database and see if anything. This is the black-footed cat, you said?
Yes.
Black-footed cat. Okay. Looks like we're getting a few books, but they're very broad. So we might need to look for something a little bit more specific. If you look here at the database, there are some ways to refine your search, but it doesn't look like the environment or conservation is one. So we'll type that into the search box along with it and see what we come up with. And that doesn't seem to be pulling up much either. Can you tell me a little bit more about where the black-footed cat exists? Maybe we could find some information by searching for conservation or environment information about that area.
Okay. I chose this species because I didn't know much about it, so I really don't know.
Okay.
I really don't know too much about it. Other people in the class were picking, obvious cats, but I wanted to have one that was a little bit different. So, yeah. So I'm kind of at the beginning of my search process, so I don't really have very much information to go on right now.
Okay, all right. Well, why don't we take a quick, just Google it real quick and see what we can find out about it. Okay, so it's an African cat. It was in southern Africa, so let's try something like that. Animal conservation of Africa. That doesn't seem to be bringing up too much either. Oh, well, look, yeah. Here's a couple of articles then about wildlife conservation in South Africa.
Oh, okay.
So I would suggest there's a book here, so that might be a good place to start. It's fairly recent. So does that sound like it might be useful? You can maybe start with that and see if that has some information about the cat. Maybe that would be a good way to start and at least learn a little bit more about the animal. That might be helpful in kind of refining your search and your topic.
Yeah. Okay. That works.
All right. If you see here, the section is actually over on the third floor. It'll be way in the back. Take a right out of the elevator and go back that way. If you have any trouble finding it or if you have any more questions, I will be here all afternoon. So come back and I'll be happy to help you out.
All right. Thank you very much.
Sure.